There isn't a better band to come on after us, unfortunately. We do apologise. So
we're going to do one more for you. It's a long weekend special. Long weekend special. You get one more song. There we go. Huh? What the fuck did that guy go?
He's fucking melted into the ground and looks at it. He's fucking praise.
I'll tell you what.
He's going for a slash.
The Italians take the encore very fucking seriously.
For fuck's sake, yeah.
Thank you very much. On a serious note, ladies and gents, this will be the last song of the evening. You have been a wonderful audience. Thank you for having us in Canberra. We look forward to do it on all again sometime. Thank you. We're called Monkey Spanner. No. One more thing. Buy a fucking t-shirt. We've got some t-shirts, they're not out at the moment, but we're going to go in and we'll just be up there, I think, at the right hand side in this area. If you want to come and say hi, have a bit of banter with us, and buy a t-shirt. Willie's got a t-shirt, he's not wearing it tonight. Yeah, nah. Good t-shirt, Willie? I love it.
What's the quality like, Willie? Is it alright, aye? Is it shrunk in the wash yet?
Comfy anyway.
Alright, what is it?
Buy a size up.
It's comfortable, it's fucking class, like. You have to get it.
There you go, it's comfortable. What more could you want?
Alright, you're getting paid tonight, it's alright.
They're usually 40, we'll give you it for 35. It's a long weekend special. Alright, Gus, you ready?